Okay, it's finally here. Our bleeding control kit that we are issued by our county has arrived. Here's mine. On this side, I have some information there. On this side, some basic photos, drawings, and whatnot. And right here, I want to show you that I lucked out. I am the person whose kit was not actually secured. That means I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. Now, we were told, don't open it, and I really want to open it. I want to see the tourniquet. I want to see the quality of the tourniquet. I want to know what's in here. This kit was put together for all of these schools in our district, all of the classrooms in our school, which would be a couple thousand classrooms, and it was put together for $17 a kit. So I want to know what the quality is. I know for sure in this bleeding control kit that I keep in my classroom, this is from North American Rescue. These run anywhere from $55 to $65 depending on where you get them, and I can trust this. I know for sure what's in here. I know exactly what's in there. My kit that I put together, I know exactly what's in here. I can leave links below to everything that's in here. I know definitely who made my rat's tourniquet. I know exactly who made the cat tourniquet. It came from North American Rescue. I know where my chest seals are from. I know where the headlamp is from. I know everything in there. This kit is my SRO kit. This comes from North American Rescue. I know the quality of everything that is in here. This $17 kit, I don't know the quality of it. So I am going to open it up and I want to see. And it also worries me that nobody can actually have their tourniquet in a ready position because it's locked up in here. But okay, here goes. All right, I'm going to take that off and put that back on in a little bit. Okay, so the first thing I come across is one abdominal pad from Medline, and I'm going to set everything out and I'm going to photograph it before I put it back in. Okay, here is a little bitty bit of, looks like some medical tape. Here is a elastic bandage. Here are some gloves. You can read there who it says they're from. I'm going to put it back just the way I found it. Here is a little bit of gauze. And there are actually two tourniquets in here, one on each side. I'm going to try and remember how they came in there so I can get them back exactly. They work. Here is a permanent marker, and I've got, pardon the scratching around, I've got 4 2x2 gauze pads and 2 4x4 gauze pads. There's that. And these are made by Be Smart, Get Prepared. Okay, wait, I think there's more in here this way. I want to get it back exactly the way it was. Okay, this is the part I really wanted to see. Okay, first of all, I know immediately you're going to tell me what's wrong with that tourniquet right away. This is nowhere near in the ready position. Yes, I'm going to put mine in the ready position. Next, I want to look at the quality of the windlass. Next, I want to look for any kind of markings. This is how it was in here. Oh my. Okay. I'm just going to, I don't want to keep this open a long time. I'm just going to quickly put it in the ready position for myself. I'm going to be relying on everybody at North American Rescue, Crisis Medicine, Skitty Medic. I need you guys to analyze this. Have I got a real or a counterfeit? I would hate to think that we've got counterfeit tourniquets in all of these classrooms. That would be not very good. This looks like it's kind of like a heat pressed thing there. This is kind of like a heat press deal there. It does have time written on there. I know I've seen Skitty Medic's videos where he shows that. Okay, I'm probably not going to get this back in here exactly the way they had it. But close. Okay, the other one Cat Resources, Rock Hill, South Carolina. Okay, this one actually is possibly in the ready position. Okay, this one is, the cradle is open. It does have some paper in the way, but the cradle was left open. This one feels a lot more substantial than the other one. I sure would like to put that one under load. This one feels a little bit wider than that one. If anyone recognizes the manufacturer, speak up. Okay, this one has a lot more markings on it. I still can't really tell who it's made by. CAT Resources LLC, Rock Hill, South Carolina, patent. It has the C and the E, and some of those. This looks like some sort of a heat mushed thing there. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure. I'm going to be relying on the experts to tell me if these are in fact real tourniquets that I have here, or if these are not. And I'm going to go back in here slightly different than how they came. That's just the way it is. And yeah, I was going to take pictures. Okay, I've got it closed back together. And I can put my little zippy tie back in there. Okay, so I need to know what you think for $17. Have I got the real thing here? Are these going to hold up under pressure? Are these a brand anybody recognizes? Are these the real thing? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll have plenty more content coming, more on bleeding control kits, more on bleeding control training. I am taking courses through crisis medicine and going to be looking at a lot of other courses out there to go ahead and get plenty of knowledge. And as always, I've got a lot of really good supplies right here. You've probably seen some of my videos and my blog with my own personal kit. So like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this kit. Is it the real thing or not? Thanks. See you later. Bye.